So where I live, it is
Yeah,
kind
yeah,
of at a hilly region. So we never have floods over here and we never
yeah,
have a lot of rainfall. So it's like a very nice place
yeah,
to live. Yeah. What about you?
yeah,
You've
yeah.
told me that it rains only once in Oman. So do you go outside whenever
Oh,
it rains?
yeah, yeah. I think 1 year, 2 day, 1 year, 1 year, 2 day, 2 day rain coming. Otherwise, not every day. Yeah, 1 year not came
Yeah.
sometime. Yeah, but I'm yes. Just I'm a lot of people told you rain coming at 2 or 3 day holiday. Yeah,
Hmm.
India same like that. Yeah, rain coming a lot of rain. Is agar Oman same like that. Yeah, 2 or 3 day. Yeah, 1 day is a lot of running. Is a lot of stop the vehicle, not movement in area. Is
Oh.
inside is a lot of gas in petroleum.
Hmm.
Inside a lot of petroleum, not movement inside. Is take the water and is this crot any area. I think this kept in any area is a lot of vehicle is stop. 1 day is raining, yeah, 2 or 3 hours, and 2 or 3 days stop the work, and
Wow.
fully enjoy. Weather is also same like that. Yeah,
That's
I came to
amazing.
Oman. Yes,
Hmm.
I came to Oman. Yeah, 2 or 3 months working, and 2 days rain coming. I think is 5 days stop the work, and 6 months side in dewatering will be a start. 6 months. Only two days in water rain coming, and 6 months
Hmm.
dewatering is, yeah, put the dewatering, yeah,
Wow, their technology
lot of
is so
area, yeah,
cool. How do they do this rainwater
yeah, yeah.
harvesting? That is so cool. That is really amazing.
Samundra, I think ice is a sea, is, yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. Is a congested area. Is not inside. Is anything water not inside going. Is a move
Hmm.
any area. I think see is a lot of take the water and tank. He put the tank, and after he move the anywhere. Resource river
Okay.
anything the food. Yeah.
So, have you observed a difference in taste in the
India.
water? Like, is there any difference in taste?
No, I'm drinking water Bisleri.
Huh.
Yeah. I think a lot of. I think face also is different. Is a water is, I think to the water is a washing anything water use is a different water. But I'm
Hmm.
use take the drinking water is a Bisleri. Use a
Yeah.
Bisleri, not a same water. Yeah,
But how is the taste? Is it like ours, or
different water.
is it like a little salty? How is it in taste?
No, not RO same
Normal
like that.
water. Yeah. Okay.
No, same like is a Bisleri same like that in India.
Hmm.
Normal water is the same like
Normal.
that Indian. Is a Bisleri, not is a local people. Is a Indian. Is a water is a use in Indian water.
Hmm.
I am use in water in Indian water, drinking water.
Oh,
Then I am
that is great.
to the bathroom. And then use is a normal is a samundra. I think is a sea water. Is a defined. Then you came. Is a sea water.
Yeah. They
Is a
purify
different.
the water
Yeah.
and they send it to the people. That is great.
Purify.
That is a very efficient way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
great. Okay, so yeah, we
Yeah.
still have a lot of time left. So what do you want to do? Do you want to talk about the session's topic, random topic, feedback, analysis? What would you like to do?
No anything topic. Okay, no problem. Today, I think last day in the random topic
Yeah.
is better.
Okay. So how do you prepare your food and everything? Distillery water?
Okay.
How
My
do you
company
prepare?
provide, yeah. My company provide
Oh,
anything. I think
easy.
better.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm not prepared. My company
Hmm.
provide anything provided. Not I'm a combination cooking. I am is a self. Is a
Hmm.
company provide anything. Any company, other country, I think any company is provide the food.
That's great.
I think as a labor, okay, cooking anything, but I'm a staff, not by provide anything cooking. Yeah.
Hmm.
Then
Eh,
went to I think hotel. Yeah, somewhere
hmm.
sometime I go to, yeah, went to hotel. Yeah, is a tasting food. Yeah,
Hmm.
sometime. But now is a 1 year is strictly not follow is outside in hotel anything. Yeah,
Hmm. So which was the most
yeah.
amazing hotel that you have visited?
Yeah, I think very nice. Same like that India. Is a hotel, lot of hotel same like that
Yeah.
India. If food available, yeah. Omani food also available, but Indian food is also available. Or not India, all of country. Not Oman, all of country same like that food. USA also Indian food available. Anywhere country. My third country in Oman. You already I told you.
Yeah, you told me.
My third country, but same like that food. Yeah, Punjabi food, Marathi food, all food available. It's a lot of people doing the work in other people. Yeah.
So what kind of food do you like?
But Dubai is a very nice place.
You told me you miss Dubai a lot.
Different.
Yeah. It seems like you miss Dubai a lot.
I think I think Dubai is same like that Mumbai. Other country same like that Chennai. No, Chennai. I don't like that. I'm a study, but I don't like that Chennai. But is a nice in Dubai. Dubai is a lot of people. Yeah, every time you look at anything, yeah, anywhere is very nice. And food, I think I like that food. A lot of food, not some in the same like that. I'm a lot of time is food is veg, and sometimes is chicken non-veg. Yeah.
Yeah, that is great.
Yeah.
And what about Dubai's food? Like, how was Omani food? I never tried it. How was it?
No, I'm not try. No, I'm not try.
Okay.
No Omani food. No, I'm not try. But Omani people try. Omani people sometimes try is Indian food, but I'm not try. Sometimes came to my mess and sometimes it try. It was same like that cheap, not a food. I think cheap anything is I think vegetable anything try. But he is not interested. I know he is not interested, but sometimes he is a curd. Yeah, anything is cheap. Yeah, is try. Yeah. But he is food different. He is a lot of different. He is food different. I'm not a vegetarian. His mess. But I'm also Hindu. Is a I think Muslim. I think is a different kind of use every day beef. Then I'm not go. It's different office. Different mess is different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, lot of is a lot of distance. Yeah.
So you have a lot of Indian friends. You must be having a lot of Indian friends, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is great. So
yeah. Every friend is Indian. Yeah, a lot of friend in Indian. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. And
Indian and Korean, Philippine, yeah, lot of friends. Omani people also 1 or 2 people, but it's a lot of people. My Korean, Philippine, yeah, lot of friends.
So
my best friend is Korean also lot of. And Kerala.
Kerala, that is great.
Korea, not Indian. Philippine, Korea, other country.
Yeah, I know. I was saying that is it like North Korea or South Korea? Are they from North Korea or South Korea?
All people. Is it North or South Korean? Is North Korea, South Korea both. My company is Korean. My company is Korean. Yeah, is a lot of people. Is Korean and Philippine.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's
really only some people in India. Some people in India.
Yeah. Is it okay if I give you the analysis right now? The English.
Okay.
Okay. So
yeah, tell me.
I won't go into the English part because that has been told a lot of times. We'll just I'll tell you what progress you have made so far since the first time we have talked and till today, if that is fine with you. Yeah. So before you used to fidget a lot whenever you were talking, like for every sentence you used to look down and do this, that, this. But now it has reduced considerably. So that is great. Yeah, keep it up. And before that you used to like you were very hesitant to tell your stories and all those things, but right now you talk like really well. You talk to you talk to the point. You're not like going round and round in circles. So even that is good. And I think that your confidence has increased a little bit over the time.